Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Shubhada Group of Education CC. You are watching Satish Physics videos for Karnataka CET and NEET. Look at the next problem on current electricity. In Wheatstone bridge, P equal to 9 ohm and Q equal to 11 ohm and R equal to 4 ohm and S is equal to 6 ohm. How much resistance must be put in parallel to the resistance S so that the bridge is balanced, correct? As you studied that, this is what a kind of Wheatstone bridge, correct? So you have already studied about it. This is about P, let me take it as Q, and this is R and this is S now, and some battery is connected here like this. Okay, so this is V. At the time the P is going to be how much? 9 ohm is given, and Q equal to how much is given? 11 ohm, and R equal to 4 ohm is given. 4 ohm is given and S is equal to 6 ohm is given. So for the balanced condition of the Wheatstone bridge, we do have the relationship P by Q equal to R by S. So clearly P by Q, that is what, 9 by 11, that is never be equal to what, 4 divided by 6, correct? So the bridge is not at all balanced here. Okay, so for that we need to connect extra resistance. Say we are connecting some resistance R dash in parallel with S, let me take. So now the equivalent of those two, as they are connected in parallel, then R equivalent of them must be equal to how much it is? 6 into R dash divided by 6 plus R dash, correct? So now instead of this I have to use 6 times R dash divided by 6 plus R dash. So let me use this now. So therefore P by Q, that is what, 9 divided by 11, this is equal to R divided by 4 divided by 6 into R dash divided by 6 plus R dash. So simplify it now. So how much you will get? Let me see. That is what, 9 divided by 11 equal to 4 into 6 plus R dash divided by 6 times R dash, that is what, equal to 2 into 6 plus R dash divided by 3 times R dash, correct? So let me take a fresh page here. Okay, so 9 by 11 equal to 2 into 6 R dash, right? So R dash must be 132 divided by 5. So it looks like 26.4 exact. Option B is the right answer for this question. 9 by 11 equal to R dash 2 into 6 plus R dash divided by 3 into R dash, 3 into R dash, that is equal to 12 plus 2 times R dash divided by 3 times R dash. So 27 R dash, that is equal to 11 into 12 plus 2 into R dash. Okay, so 11 into 12 is 11 is 2, 121, how much? 132 plus 22 times R dash. Okay, so if I take it to the left side, 27 R dash minus 22 R dash equal to 132. So how much I will get here? 5 times R dash equal to 132. It implies R dash equal to 132 divided by 5. 132 divided by 5. How much is going to be? Now it will be nearly equal to 5 2s are 10, 6.5, 6, right? 26.4 ohm, that is what. Okay, so it's my immense pleasure to introduce about Unacademy Plus. They are offering a champions batch for Karnataka CET 2021. The benefits of this particular course is learn from the best educators for Karnataka CET 2021. Detailed explanation of each and every topic for better understanding, and the complete syllabus coverage will be there, and tips and tricks to save and score better in your examinations. Okay, so there is a 1 month trial plan at just rupees 2,250 rupees, and if you use my code Satish 2021, you will get extra 10% off on the course fees. Okay, kindly go through their website unacademy.com or download their application from Google Play Store so that you definitely get more information. Okay, look at the next problem. What current will flow through 2 kilo ohm resistor in the circuit shown in the figure? Okay, so this is the given circuit. We can easily find out the two different loops here. This is the first loop and this is the second loop. Okay, let me apply the Kirchhoff's voltage rule for both the loops, so that I can easily find out the value of the current flowing through the 2 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, so let's give it a try. Okay, so let me use some current I is flowing here. Okay, I, as it's a junction, there is a electric flow of current and it will be divided. Some I dash current will be flowing here. So this current must be I minus I dash. Clear? So now this is what plus minus, and this is what plus minus, and this is what plus minus, and this is also plus minus. Okay, so if I apply, so what will I get? 72 minus 72 and plus 6 kilo times current I plus 3 kilo into I minus I dash, that is equal to 0. Okay, so that I will get 72 plus 6 ki plus 3 ki minus 3 ki dash, correct, equal to 0. So how much I will get here? 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 kilo I minus 3 kilo I dash, that is equal to 72 now. Now 3 is common. 3 is common, right? 3 is common, since 3 times ki minus ki, that is equal to 72 divided by 3. That is what? 3 to the 6, 3 4s are 24, 3 to the 72, right? Make it as equation number 1 here. Okay, make it as equation number 1. That is what? 3 ki minus ki dash, as ki dash, that is equal to 24. It's the equation number 1. Okay, let me apply the Kirchhoff's voltage rule for the second loop now. Okay, 4 ki dash, let me use a different color here. 4 ki dash, okay, plus 2 ki dash minus 3k into I minus I dash equal to 0. Okay, so 6k dash minus 3ki plus 3k dash equal to 0. It implies I dash 9 times ki dash, right? 9 times ki dash minus 3ki, that is equal to 0. So therefore, if I take 3 common there, as well as kilo is also common there, so that's the reason why how much I will get here? 3 times I dash minus I equal to 0. It implies I dash equal to I by 3. I dash equal to I by 3 I will get. So let me substitute this I dash equal to I by 3 in this equation. Okay, in this equation. So therefore 3ki, okay, substitute that. 3 times ki minus k into, instead of I dash, I by 3 equal to 24. Okay, so let me take a fresh page now. Let's get the value of I here. Okay, the equation is 3ki by 3. Much value of I is going to be milliampere. Then what is the value of I dash? 2 kilo ohm resistor. So that is the reason why, as you know that V equal to I into R, the question is to find out what is the current. The same current I dash is flowing here, right? So how much is that? Milliampere. So that's the reason why option A is the right answer. 3 milliampere current is flowing through both 4 kilo ohm resistor as well as 2 kilo ohm resistor, as they are connected in series. Okay, so 3 kilo I minus 1 kilo I by 3 equal to 24, right? Correct. So now what I do now is I need to calculate the value for I here. Okay, so for that what I will get here, 9 times ki minus ki, sorry, simplification is there, ki, that is equal to 72 here, 72 here. So 8 ki equal to 72, ki equal to 72 divided by 8. So 9 is right. So therefore I equal to 9 by k, in the sense 9 milliampere, 10 to the power of k in the sense 3 milliampere. So now the value of I is going to be 9 milliampere. If value of I is 9, I dash is I by 3, right? So 9 milliampere divided by 3, that is what? 3 milliampere. 3 milliampere is the current flowing through the, that is going to be 3. Thank you very much for this video. So please do like this video, share this video with your friends and colleagues to support us. Please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for new notifications. If you have any doubts, make a comment on the comment box so that I can help you with. Wish you all the best for examinations. Good luck. Thank you.